counterclockwise. Pull it off. Turn that counterclockwise. Bulb comes out. Press this button. That little tab right there, you go. Comes right out. Then you have this new bulb. Links in the description. Got these for pretty cheap. So you're just going to take this guy, connect it to here. Done. There's a lot of space underneath of it because it just goes underneath. So you can just push that down there. Keep pushing it down. That's all gone. Push it through. Then you've got to find out. Ah, there it goes. And then turn clockwise. So it's back on there. Then you'll take the cover piece that I'm missing. No, I found it. It's going to go on there. Get that lined up, and that goes clockwise. Easy enough. Then you just gotta put your cover back on. That's pretty simple. You just align these two things. And of course, this thing has to line up with that. Yep. Much better.